Hi everybody. In this video, we're going to talk about a special kind of mean called a weighted mean. When you're finding a weighted mean, you assign different weights to data points depending on how many times they appear. So let's look at an example that we looked at in another video that we did using normal means or averages, and we'll do this one using a weighted mean approach. So we had an example where we had some heights that were being measured, heights of individual people, and we have heights of 61 inches, 71, 61, 73, 55, 89, and 71. Now, if we wanted to find the mean of these heights, or average, we could do it the normal way, so to speak, which is add them up and divide by 7 because there's 7 data points. But if we want to use the weighted mean approach, we're going to weight a couple of these numbers heavier, so to speak, and those not because they appear more. Those numbers are going to be 61 and 71. Since those appear twice, we're going to weight them by 2. So here's what that looks like. 2 times 61 plus 2 times 71. And then the other numbers only appear once, so we only need to simply add those numbers. And then we divide by how many data points there are. And we could look at that as 2 61s plus 2 71s, and then 1 of each of the other ones. Okay, and adding the top gives us 481. Adding the bottom gives us 7 for 7 data points. And then we divide that to find the weighted mean, or just the mean. And that gives us 68.7. Let's look at another example. Say you were told that City X has 20 parks, and each of those parks has an average, so with 10 benches per park. City X has 20 parks with an average of 10 benches per park. Okay, and then say City Y has 12 parks, and each of those has an average of 15 benches per park. And you want the average number of benches per park in both cities, or in the whole, in the total. We can do this with a weighted average. Now, I said that these were average, so an average of 10 benches per park in City X and an average of 15 benches per park in City Y. We don't need to know the actual numbers of benches. We can just use the average. And we're going to weight the 10 benches per park by 20 because they occur 20 times, or they occur the equivalent of 20 times. So 20 times 10. And then we're going to weight the 15 bench per park average by 12, because 12 parks have that going on. So 12 times the 15. And then we're going to divide by the total number of parks, which we can find right here. It's going to be 32. So we weighted the 10 and we weighted the 15 by 20 and 12 respectively. All right, now it's just some calculations. The top is going to give us 380 over 32. And if we divide that in the calculator, we're going to get 11.9 rounded. So that's about equal to 12 benches per park is about the average. Okay, so that's called the weighted mean. Hope you learned something. See you soon.